Hey everyone, welcome back to English Comfortably. I'm Alex, and I'm really glad you're here with me again. In this podcast, I'll speak slowly and use easy words. I'll also repeat ideas so you can understand everything well. My goal is to help you practice listening and speaking at the same time. Today, we're talking about something many English learners wonder about. How can I start thinking in English? How can I stop changing words from my own language? Maybe you have this problem too. That's totally fine, lots of people do. It's normal for our brains to want to use our first language. But here's some good news, thinking in English is a skill you can learn and get better at. And today, I'll show you how. Let's look at why this is so important. Many learners feel slow when they speak English. Why? Because they change every sentence in their mind. This makes speaking slow and hard. You might know many words and grammar rules. But if you're always translating, it's tough to speak quickly and smoothly. In real life, people talk fast. They don't wait for you to translate. If you're always translating, you'll be too slow. Also, changing words from one language to another isn't always right. Some languages have different word orders. For example, maybe in your language, the describing word comes after the thing, but in English, it comes before. So if you change it word by word, the sentence might sound strange or even wrong. So, the main idea is this: think in English, not in your own language. When you do this, you'll speak faster and sound more natural. And today, I'll give you some simple tips so you can do it too. Okay, let's talk about why we translate and why it's a normal thing. When you first start learning a new language, you use your first language. That's fine. Your first language is like a bridge. It helps you walk into English. But after some time, you want to get rid of that bridge. For example, you want to look at a chair and just think chair, not the word for chair in your own language. Many learners tell me, Alex, I know words. I know grammar. But when I speak, my mind stops. And I tell them, that's because your brain is still translating. So, let's get practical. Let's talk about how you can start thinking in English. Here are 5 easy ways to begin, and you can use them every single day. Tip number 1, say what you see. This is very simple. Look around you. In your mind, say what you see in English. For example, when you walk outside, think, I'm walking to the shop. I see a tree. There's a red car. The weather is cold. When you're in your kitchen, think, I am making tea. I am opening the fridge. I am cooking rice. You can do this anytime, especially when you're alone. No one will hear you. If you don't know a word, that's okay. You can look it up. Write it down. Next time, your brain will remember. This is how you build your English brain, step by step. Tip number 2, think about your plans. Another way to think in English is to mentally talk about your day. In the morning, you can think, today I will study English. I will go to work at 9 o'clock. I will meet my friend in the evening. In the evening, you can think about your day. I went to the gym today. I watched a movie. I cooked dinner. It was chicken and rice. You don't need to write it down or say it out loud. Just think in English. The more you do it, the easier it gets. Tip number 3, use picture thinking. This one is very strong. It helps your brain work in English without using your first language. Here's what to do. When you see something, a chair, a table, a phone, don't think, what's that in English? Oh yes, chair. No changing words. Just the English word. Do this with everything: phone, spoon, book, pen, tree, bus, window, shoes, dog. When you see the thing, think the English word. Do this every day. Soon, it will happen without you even trying. Your brain will start using English first. Tip number 4, do shadowing. This is one of the best ways. It's my favorite. Listen to a native speaker from a podcast, video, or audio like this one. Repeat right after them. Say what they say. Try to copy how they say it, their voice, how fast they speak, the feeling, the rhythm, where they put stress on words, and how they say words. For example, if the speaker says, "I'm going to the store," you repeat right away. No stopping. No translating. At first, it's hard. That's normal. But keep going. You'll teach your brain to understand and speak English quickly. No thinking. No translating. Just listening and speaking. Do this 5 to 10 minutes a day, and that's enough. Tip number 5, use English in your mind during simple tasks. This is very easy and helpful. When you're doing simple things, use English in your mind. When you're walking, the sun is shining. The wind is cold. There is a dog. It's barking. When you're cooking, I'm washing the rice. I'm adding salt. The food smells good. When you're cleaning, I'm sweeping the floor. I'm folding the clothes. These are all good times to think in English. They are simple. You don't need difficult words. Just say what you are doing, like a child learning to speak. That's how your brain will learn. Okay, my friend, let's put everything together now. Here is your daily plan. It's easy. Only 4 steps, and you can do them every single day. Let's go through them one by one. Step 1, in the morning, think about your day. When you wake up, before you check your phone, take 1 minute. Think in English. Say in your mind, "Today I will go to work. I have a meeting at 10 o'clock. I want to study English for 30 minutes. Just simple thoughts in English. You can do it while brushing your teeth or while drinking your tea or coffee. Step number 2, during the day, describe what you see. As you move through your day, look around. Say what you see. I see a man walking his dog. She is talking on the phone. I'm typing an email. You don't need to speak out loud. You don't need to speak fast. Just think in your head. If you don't know a word, that's okay. Look it up later. Then try again tomorrow. Step number 3, listen to English and do shadowing. Use one of my podcasts. Listen to me, then repeat what you hear right away. This is shadowing. Don't worry about being perfect. Just practice. Even 5 minutes a day helps a lot. Step number 4, at night, review your day in English. Before bed, relax. Close your eyes. Think about your day in English. I went to the supermarket. I made lunch. I watched an English video. I called my sister. This is your quiet time. No pressure. No stress. Just simple English in your mind. Okay, that's it. 4 simple steps to remember. Do these every day, and after just 1 week, you'll start to feel a difference. After 1 month, your brain will begin to use English without you even trying. Your brain is used to your first language, it wants to use it. At first, maybe only 10% of your thoughts will be in English. That's a fantastic start. If you keep going, if you practice a little bit every day, soon it will be 30%, then 50%, then 70%. And one day, you'll notice something amazing. You are thinking in English without even trying. It happens slowly, but it will happen. I promise you. So, here's my final message. Thinking in English is a skill you can build. Be patient and be kind to yourself. Make mistakes, that's totally normal. And most importantly, keep going. Thanks for being here. This is Easy English, and I'm Alex. Keep thinking in English, keep practicing, and keep believing in yourself. Bye for now.